So we started this month. We did the pretzel.
Today.
We started the pretzel today. So this is more of the sweet pretzel in 3 or 4 parts. Step, step, rock, step, up, turn, rock, step, under, through, rock, step, turn, around, rock, step. Step, step, rock, step, up, turn, rock, step, under, through, rock, step, up, over, rock, step. All right, with all the swoops and the pauses that we want y'all to be able to get when we do this. Next, we reviewed the bow. Step, step, rock, step, into the cuddle, rock, step, out of the cuddle, rock, step. Then we added a variation, which is actually, I call it the Laura variation because my partner invented it. Step, step, rock, step, in, cuddle, rock, step, let go, step, rock, step to opening here. Rock, step, across and under, rock, step. Now Charlotte added the stylistic variation here at the end. Step, step, rock, step, into the cuddle, rock, step, let go, out, rock, step, cross, scoot, rock, step. If you've got a lot of momentum and speed,
And a great groovy song.
you do it, okay? Now, one thing I noticed in watching her do this is when she sets this up, from right here, her first step is short on her right leg. She's not extending out from under her body. This gives her the opportunity to really set up a good scoot. The shorter her step on her right foot, right under her body, that can give her the power to scoot. If you step too long out of that, you never get the range to do that. All right? I think that's the key. Thank you, Charlotte.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for coming.